Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss the first step of Selenium and Python, and we will access the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Firefox. So first of all, we will work with Google Chrome, how we can access the Google Chrome and how we can pass any URL into a Google Chrome. So let's see how we can work on it. Here this is Eclipse, and here I will write the program and we'll do the automation. First of all, you have to import from Selenium, import WebDriver. So WebDriver is used to access directly to the browser. We can say Chrome driver. So this is the variable. Using WebDriver, there is a functionality .chrome. So in this way, you can give the format which browser you want to open using WebDriver. After that, ch driver. So this is nothing, it's a variable which stores the object of Chrome class. So using this object, WebDriver.get. So this method is used to load a web page in current browser session. So here I can pass, let's say http://www.ui5cn.com. So here, if I will run this program, then see the output. So Google Chrome is loaded, and here you can see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, and after that it will load the data. So here you can see I'm passing the URL www.ui5cn.com and it got loaded. So in this way we will work with Google Chrome. So let's say how we can make it in a professional way. So here I will use try catch block to catch the exception. Let's say if internet is not there, or maybe due to some problem you are not able to load Chrome or this URL. I will write these two statements with try block, and here accept exception. We will catch the exception here as ex, and here I will write print error, and we can add the error using str because this is object. That's what I converted into a string, and here I will use else. Again I will check once. So here let's say ui5cn.com. so here you are seeing ui5cn. so this is called title of the web page. So how I can get this title? So let's see. So this is very simple. Else, if it got loaded, like try block is working fine. So if you are having doubt regarding exception handling, you can watch my first series. So here I will write print ch driver.title. So it will return the title of web page. So this is a web page and this is called title. ui5cn is the title. After that, just I want to close my browser after some time. You can use time.sleep. So for that we have to import it. So import time, and here I will use time.sleep to pause some time, sleep for 10 seconds. I will use finally block here. If try block goes fine, then print the title, otherwise print the exception, and finally close the driver. So ch_driver.quit. So quit to close the browser. So if I will make cursor on it, you can see here close the browser and shut down the Chrome driver executable. So it will shut down here. So finally I'm going to quit it. If I will run this code, got started, and now data is going to load using get URL. A web page got loaded, and it will wait for 10 seconds, then it will close automatically. Done. So here you can see I'm going to print this ui5cn. This is the title of my web page. So in this way you can work with Chrome, and in next video we will work with Firefox. Thanks for watching.